Hey, gotta flip you around. Let's go outside. Yop, 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 yop. Hello, everybody. I'm gonna flip you around a little bit. Flip. Here you go. Thank you. Hey, everyone, it's Mikey Abrams, Texas Pride Realty Group. We're out here on a schwitzy Sunday, August 1st, here in Plano with a very two-story. You can't get more two-story than this. It's very two-story contemporary condo. If you take a look up here, very modern, right here in Heritage Creekside. I love this neighborhood. It is so close to the George Bush Tollway. It is so close to 75. It's a hop, skip, and jump over to the tollway. Lots of stuff over here to do, and literally I can walk right on over to some other restaurants and bars and areas. So this ain't just a house. This here a lifestyle. So let's go. Is anyone watching me yet?
You got two.
Two people. Let's blow in and see. Come on. This has air conditioning. So when you come in, let's do a little slow turn about this, and I'll just sit and chat. You walk into this open concept downstairs area. I love this because if you look down, this is the tile that looks like wood, so it's very durable, lasts about 30 years, so holla, holla, holla. And ain't no popcorn in these ceilings. This townhome was built in 2018, so of course things are new. Very open concept. I also love that there's this little baby entryway. So it's not like you step in and you're like, hi, let me step on your couch. Can I sit here and watch TV with you? You can either use this as a sitting area, also maybe use it as a formal dining. But everything here is super open. Say hi, Neva.
Hi.
Neva's going to be helping working the house today. We got an also very large kitchen, and look how spacious this is. I can totally dance. I can do pirouettes in here. I can do pas de bourrées.
Show us some breakdancing.
No, you don't want to see that one. You've got granite countertops. The counter space is massive. And you've also got this modern glass black splash here. 4-burner gas cooktop. All the shaker cabinetry. I love a good white cabinet. It's just so classic and clean. Then you've got your oven and built-in microwave. And I do want to say that the refrigerator and the washer and dryer stay with this property. What? Yeah, it's true. Off the kitchen, which I love, you've got this little office mail space. It's what they call it now, but you can actually, I would use it as a bar. Because I put my office upstairs. But if you needed that downstairs office, if you needed that downstairs computer, or that additional storage area, what a great place to just come in. Because if you look right here, here's your storage closet for like coats and things. Here's your 2-car garage. It's a garage because homosexual cars live there. So you come in, boom, set my keys, my bag, my purse, all kinds of stuff, all right there. And I also love that downstairs is you've got your half bath with your pedestal sink. Beautiful white tile with that little squiggle of black in there. Give it that texture. Come, let's go upstairs. Is anyone watching or asking questions?
You had 4 people watching. No questions, though.
I have 4 people watching or ad. Ain't nobody watching now? No. Facebook Live is not what it used to be. So upstairs, you've got this little area up here, which could be used as a lifestyle area, is what we call now. They're using it as an additional office space. Let's venture this way. At least show me some hearts that you love it. More closet and storage. There's lots of storage in here. This is the magical room. Washer and dryer, utility room. They're going to stay. Additional storage and cabinetry, but look at all this storage in here. Think of all the things you can store and keep out of the way. Then you have your secondary bedrooms. Here's one. They're using as a office area for this with a nice walk-in closet. And then right here is the guest room larger sized room with a walk-in closet. All together giving some privacy. It's just neat, like if you had a company stay here, because then their bathroom is like literally right there. But now I want to show you this. This is a very big primary bedroom. What? Look up, everybody. Vaulted ceilings. Very spacious. I know that's a full-size bed, but easily fit a king in here. And I love this. You can just hang out on your own patio. Just come on up. Watch the people make bicycle rides. Maybe there's a hottie or two just coming through, and you can, you know, drop a scarf like in the olden days, so that the gentleman caller can pick it up, and you can go, oh, well, come on up to my boudoir. Because that's why one has a balcony, right? You do have a walk-in closet. And in addition to that, you have additional closet space over here for like winter clothes. But I also want to finally show you the bathroom. Granite countertops. It's the gray that matches the downstairs area. Private water closet. And a shower with the bench so that when the drag queens need to shave our legs, then we have room to do so. I want to point out that these are not circular, that they're square to add that additional modern flair. Thank you so much, JB Homes, for building it that way. So, open house is going to be happening until 4 p.m. today. We'd love to see you and stop by, ask your questions. We're going to be here, and thanks for tuning in. This is not a very good ending for me or something. I don't know how to bring this to a close. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Bye-bye.